Hi students, let's have a look at this problem. Simplify 9 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. So we have this arithmetic expression here, 9 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. Now how do we simplify this? Do we go from left to right or from right to left? Or do we perform the addition first? Or do we perform the subtraction first? Or do we perform the multiplication first? Because depending upon how we do this, we are going to get different results. So, what is the order of operations? In which order should I perform the addition, subtraction, and multiplication operations that I find in this expression? Well, the rule is given by, or rather, the order of operations is given by PEMDAS. PEMDAS is the order of operations. And what does PEMDAS stand for? P stands for parenthesis. That is, if you see any parenthesis in an arithmetic expression, you will evaluate what is inside the parenthesis first. Next, we go to exponents or root and evaluate them. Again, if there are more than one exponent or root, then we go left to right. And then we then do the multiplication. The third operation we will try to perform is multiplication or division. Both of them have equal priority. And once again, if there are more than one instance of multiplication or division, we will go from left to right. And then A and S stand for addition and subtraction, and they have the lowest priority or the last priority. And again, in an expression, if there are more than one addition or subtraction operation, we will go from left to right. So let's use this method for this expression and see how it works out. So shall we begin? Let's do it. So the first thing we do is multiplication. Okay, 3 into 2. So as per the order of operations, we perform multiplication first because we don't have any parenthesis or exponent or root to perform. So the next in line is multiplication. And so we do 3 into 2 first, and the answer is 6. So now the expression becomes 9 minus 6 plus 4. Now we have a subtraction operation and an addition operation. So we have both these operations which are of equal priority. And when you find operations of equal priority, you go from left to right. So next step is going to be 9 minus 6. Okay. And that gives us 3. And then the last step is, of course, 3 plus 4, the addition. That is the last operation left in this simplified expression. And 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 is the answer. So I hope now you understood how to go about doing these operations. Whenever you see an arithmetic expression, always perform the operations in this order given by the acronym PEMDAS. In the future videos, we will see more examples of this and we will try to resolve very complicated arithmetic expressions. See you there. Thank you.